Hello friends, welcome to MTT Musketeers Tips. So today what we are going to see is how to make a table in this, how to add images, then how to write, then we are going to see about how to add layers, then how to add slideshows, then how to put images, then there are many things, how to add the headings in this video. These are the basic things while you are going to do coding in HTML. So I am using app called Microsoft Expression Web 4. So Microsoft Expression Web 4 is developed by Microsoft team. So on the thing what I want to say is you can use any app like Notepad++, Sublime, Text, like that many apps. So first today we are going to learn about HTML coding. To make HTML coding, file, new HTML, then you can save that, then there will be, after pressing that will be untitled, the page will come, then you should save. Then if you want to put any topics, you can put the topics, then only you can do a coding in this expression effort. First we are going to see, I said how to add table. Before that I want to say one thing, how to add colors of this. First see, there will be white color. When you see white color, how to change the color of the background. So BG color. So BG color is the most important thing. So what color do you want, you can choose. And if I want, I will choose my lime color. So wait a minute, I will check me. Yes. Yes. If one green color, I put the green color. Inside this, what I want to write means I can write. Okay, now I am going to say how to add tables. So this P under paragraph, leave it, I will say afterwards about that. So this P things under paragraph. So now how to add table. In coding page there will be table, border equals to 2, any border you can put, width equals to 100%. Yes, after putting this width, yes, tr here, yes, tr, inside this tr there will be two things, th and td. So th is table heading, and td is table description. So th means if I wrote channel MTT channel, it will be bold and it will be aligned in center of that row. If in TD, if I write MTT again, it will be aligned this left side and it will be not in bold. So these are the difference in TD and TH. So I will copy this and I will paste. So subscribe to MTT Musketeers Tech Tips channel, and also subscribe to Gus Gaming under these strategies and not accurate and techniques. See what I writing. So don't subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe MTT channel or Gaming in the strategies and techniques channel. So you can write whatever you want. I am writing my name to fill this. Okay. Yes, to fill this, and how to add images in the body or also in table. In body or also in table, there is only same coding. So see this coding. First I am doing in table image. ALT means alternate text not available. Why I am putting not available, I will say now. So not available, src equals to, I want to pick a URL. So I will take my channels images. So I will close it. So if a th is started, we need to close. First for th we will put a symbol and th and we will close. Then we need to fully close that. That means we need to close means we will put the same that symbol. Wait, I will show. Same that symbol, then that should be a bar, then th. So these should be done because this is and all some main things. So we wrote like in title it will ask when you save it, it will ask title mtt site. So I written as mtt site, so it came. So now we are going to see about auto styles. Okay, auto styles are the thing that will help you in speed. When you do in speed, you will put auto style, then you will do. So I will say first dot auto style one. Sorry, I will use one. So I will start with this. So in this auto style one, I will put see. Okay, why it's not coming? Wait a minute. I want to check about auto styles. Okay, why it's coming out? Now shall not script style. Style, I forgot to give the style type and all, so only it's not showing me. Type equals to text css. Now it will show me. See now. So dot auto auto style as a style one. So I'll put this inside this. I want the background as blue. Then wait a minute. So I want blue. Then color as maroon. You can put anything. Color as orange. I am going to put, and it should be yes. I forgot to do one thing again. And the border should be in thick. Okay, like this there are many types you can do. Okay, like this. Wait, I will say for example I'm doing this. So oh yes, this is okay. So I'm putting these three things, right? Background, color, border. When you are writing a name, wait, I will write a name by adding so, hi guys. So when I check here, it will be normal as usual or writing and normal Word documents. Normal Word documents. Wait, I'll show my yes, like this. See, hi guys, there is hi guys, right? So it's in normal text. I wrote in caps, so it's in caps. So now what I'm going to close that A here. Now see how it will be. Even I will see it's coming or not. So mine is 32-bit. So it's taking time to do. So only I'm always checking if my screen recorder is working or not. Then if there is any way, please help me. See, hi guys, it came because of this auto styles. So gave somewhere